Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to dive into PowerPoint and go over some of the essential to help you create powerful and engaging presentations. Whether you're a beginner or just looking to up your presentation game, I have got you covered. My name is B. Meera. Let us jump right into. So, let us start with the basics. What exactly is PowerPoint? It is a presentation software developed by Microsoft, and its purpose is simple: to help you create visual presentations that communicate your ideas effectively. PowerPoint is used widely in business, education, and creative industries, and it is become a staple for anyone looking to present information in a structured and engaging way. Why choose PowerPoint over other presentation tools? Well, for one, it makes visual storytelling easy. You can use templates and design tools to create professional looking slides in minutes. PowerPoint also allows you to integrate multimedia like images, videos, and even audio, making your presentations more dynamic. Plus, its flexibility means you can tailor your presentation for any type of audience, whether it is a formal business meeting or a creative project. Now, let us look at some of the PowerPoint's key features. First, PowerPoint comes with a wide range of templates and customizable layouts. It offers transition effects and animations to make your presentations more engaging. You can also integrate other Microsoft Office tools like Excel charts or Word documents directly into your slides. And with PowerPoint's collaborative features, it is easier than ever to work on presentations as a team and even remotely. Uh, Now, let us look at the steps to create a PowerPoint presentation. Creating a PowerPoint presentation can be broken into a few simple steps. First, start by choosing a template or creating a blank slide. Then you add your content, text, images, and media. After that, you can enhance your slides with animations and transitions. Once everything is in place, it is important to format your design elements, making sure everything is appealing and consistent. Finally, practice your presentation before delivering it to your audience. Design is the key when it comes to effective presentations. Keep your slides simple and uncluttered. Stick to a consistent color theme and use easy to read fonts. It is important to limit the amount of text on each slide. Focus on key points and use visuals to support your message. Remember, your slides should complement what you are saying, not overwhelm the audience with information. While PowerPoint is a great tool, there are common mistakes we have all seen and maybe made ourselves. Overloading slides with text is one of the biggest issues. Your audience should be listening to you, not reading your slides. Another mistake is using too many animations. While they can add flair, overusing them can distract from your message. Also, avoid inconsistent fonts or poor quality images. These small things can make your presentation look unprofessional. Customizing your audience. It is important to tailor your presentation for your audience. If you are presenting in a business setting, you will want to keep things formal and structured with clean designs and minimal distractions. But if you are presenting to a creative or casual audience, you can take more risks with bold designs and interactive features. The key is understanding who you are speaking to and adjusting your approach accordingly. Beyond the basics, PowerPoint has some really powerful advanced features. For example, you can create custom slideshows. This allows you to present different versions of your slides depending on the audience. The Slide Master is another great tool for maintaining a consistent design across all your slides. And don't forget, you can embed videos, audio, and even live data from Excel to make your presentations even more dynamic. In conclusion, PowerPoint is a versatile tool that can help you deliver engaging and professional presentations. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced user, PowerPoint has something for everyone. So take time to explore its features and push the limits of what you can create. With practice, you will be able to master PowerPoint and truly make it work for you. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any further questions or need help with PowerPoint, please message me at the comment section. I hope you have found this video useful and that you feel more confident in using PowerPoint for your future presentation. Please subscribe to my channel to get other notifications for the next videos and share it with your friends, relatives, and everyone.